This freestanding stainless steel utility sink is the kind of no-nonsense workhorse you slap into a laundry room, garage, or outdoor prep station and forget about, in a good way. The product page lists 304 stainless steel, NSF certified, construction, an overall footprint of 19-inch DX23, WX38, H23 model, an inner bowl of about 17 inches by 13 inches, for adjustable feet, a 3.5 backsplash, and included accessories like a faucet with hot-cold inlet hoses, drain pipe, drainer basket, and an undershelf for storage. The listing shows 500 plus bought in the past month and a user manual PDF available, a strong sign this one is popular with real users. From a user perspective, the stainless construction and included plumbing hardware make this a great plug-and-play solution, literally no advanced tools required for basic setup. Reviewers commonly shout out the practical design, the rotating 360 degrees faucet, adjustable feet for leveling, and the undershelf that doubles as a nimble storage rack. Most complaints are about expecting a heavier commercial sink. This is solid for residential to light commercial use, but if you want a professional restaurant-grade tub you might look at thicker gauge models. Specs and weight are clearly listed on the page so you can match it to your space. Vlog summary: if your viewers need a durable, easy-to-install utility sink that comes with the plumbing bits and a sensible warranty return policy, this is a top pick for the price bracket. Great for laundry rooms, potting benches, or even a compact outdoor kitchen. Reminder for the description: we share by links in description box.